Sorry, but despite my action cameras and my GoPro, phone seems to be the best to handle it, even though y'all are going to, see the camera shake for me walking and stuff. But, the car is nice. It's sitting on BBS 15s with the matching center caps. I put this wing on it. It came off a 535i. Need to do body filler on it because I messed up on a couple. I messed up on the trunk. There's like 3 extra holes somewhere. But yeah, this is the interior. I got brake hoses. Sorry for the mess. But I got brake hoses that I'm about to put on. I already did the brakes. I did, what else did I do to this car? I did the brakes. I did the rotors. I had to buy a new hood. I had to buy these things because the car didn't come with it. So things I replaced on this car: I replaced the radiator, I replaced the hoses, I replaced the timing belt, I replaced all the drive belts. I didn't replace the thermostat housing. It seems to be doing fine. The car doesn't overheat. The only time it did overheat was because the coolant hose was loose at the water pump. So I fixed that. I gave it some new fuses. I had to buy this hood for it because the original hood was just not gonna work. I think I have a picture of it. I'll post it up, or I'll put it in in the video. But yeah, so I had to go buy this hood. But right now the hood won't close because of this stupid hood hinge. For some reason, it's like, I guess it's rusted and seized up, and it doesn't want to fold like on the passenger side. Over here, somewhere like on the top of these 2 pipes where they meet, there's a hole, and there's another exhaust leak hole right there. This car has a lot of exhaust leaks. I need to do something about the bottom of here. Like I need a new exhaust. That's all. Cause this, I don't know what this is. But yeah, no rust spots. As you see, that's why I was saying I need bushings everywhere, because all the bushings are pretty much broken. However, the car still, it rides pretty nicely, so it's okay. Back to the front. Don't worry about the door panels. I have the door panels. They're sitting back here. I took them off because I'm trying to figure out why the windows won't work. And somebody's telling me, or I read online, that it has something to do with this right here. These 2 connectors right here. I think this is the window cutoff switch. Because I press this switch, and every time I press it, it doesn't do anything to these switches up here. So it has a radio code that won't come off. The glove box won't open because somebody broke it. The dash is pretty cracked, but I'm not really too mad about it, only because I got this cool little cover on it. But that's what it looks like. Sunroof features. Yeah, let's go ahead. So yeah, here we are. It's shaking quite a bit. I think it needs motor mounts. But here, you can hear it miss. Actually, that kind of sounded pretty good. Hold on. Oh, look at this. Look. Still from last time. It's running without injector 2 spark plug in, or spark plug wire in. So obviously it's missing. So we're gonna plug it back in to see if it changes. It doesn't change at all. Oh, it might have. Hold on. Nope. It doesn't change at all. There's no difference in engine. So let's go to spark plug or cylinder number 3. Nothing. Cylinder number 4. Nothing. So we got a misfire on 3 cylinders. And I'm almost certain that the culprit is this crank sensor. if I were to take a quick and easy guess, I got to inspect that crank sensor down there. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. See that? See that sensor right there? That one right there? I know my fan. Don't worry about the fan. I'm not gonna cut my finger off. But that little sensor down there might need to be replaced. So I did an oil change on it already. I'm about to check all the grounds and see if that's the issue. I'm gonna check the injectors. There's just so much. There's so much on here to check. This car has so many different variables on why it would misfire. But what do you expect from an 80s BMW? So we go back into the cabin and we'll hear the misfire. Hear it? But it sounds stronger than before, which is pretty good. So I think on the objective of stuff to do, I'm gonna figure out where my wiring gremlin is to be causing this misfire, because the check engine light isn't even on. That's what trips me out the most about this. The check engine light isn't even on, and it doesn't even blink when I'm driving. But I'm gonna do a little bit more homework, and I'm sure I'll figure out why it's not working. But check it out. Here's some cool features. That part of the sunroof works, and this part. Nice. Right? And if you look here by the e-brake, you'll see that these work too. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh, I may have fucked it up. Right. Now check it.